Hi everyone, hope you well. This is CoinsKid. It's going to dive into Bitcoin. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every one of you. So right now with Bitcoin, you can see basically we rolled over here, we formed a low, and we've come back up and we're starting to break key levels of resistance. We did actually break out this key level of resistance yesterday, okay, of this WW bottom. Do you see this? Okay, this is a really strong level of resistance. You can see support there, and we've actually lost it, came back down, made a low, made a high low, looking good like we've got a reversal just here. But obviously we've broken out and we've hit a level of resistance. We're starting to roll back and we're losing this as support at the moment. Okay, this is the 4-hourly time frame. We're still okay. We're building up a bit of momentum, and providing we can come back now and break this level of resistance, you're looking at more upside. But we do need to come back up and break this level of resistance. I'm going to show you what that resistance is in a moment, but what I want to reassure you, this is still relatively healthy for Bitcoin, because what you've done here, you've created a low, okay, and a higher low, and you're reversing a trend, okay. And like I said to you, you're not just going to get up to these targets overnight. You're building up steam, you're building up momentum to break levels of resistance moving forward. You know, confirmations of bias that you're creating this sort of big reversal wave here, coming back up to where you come from. You know, this is the key level of resistance which you do need to see broken for Bitcoin. You're fully aware of that, okay. And this is the target of this W bottom, okay. That's the upside target. You know, from there to there is how we measure it. I've shown you that before, haven't I? So I'll show you again anyway. You know, you always measure that from a level of resistance, from there to the low. And what you do when you break resistance, that's your target, and you can see that's why we have that target of the W double bottom just there. Do you see that? So that's the target, but you've got that resistance before that. Providing we hold support, don't go short. And right now you can see on the 4-hourly time frame, this is actually really good for Bitcoin. We've created a bullish cross, we've come up, we ran into resistance, we rolled back, and we're holding the yellow line as support. And what did I say to you about the yellow line? Okay, on any time frame, if you're holding it as support, it breaks, it creeps you up, and it makes you test resistance. So at the minute, this actual yellow line on the 4-hourly time frame is making you retest this resistance once more. Now if you hold that and get the break, you're looking at another little impulsive wave up here, because impulsive wave, corrective wave, impulsive wave, corrective wave, and potentially a new impulsive wave, because this is how it all works in waveforms. Okay, you don't just go like that in a big straight line, a big green candle, because obviously you're going to get a big ass red dildo. You're fully aware of that right now in the channel. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you this resistance that Bitcoin's run into just there. Okay, so with this, basically we're looking for a reversal wave to complete. Now if you break, because this is a one big wave down, do you see this? Okay, so let me explain this to you. So when we broke this, ran into this resistance just here, which is multi-month resistance right now for Bitcoin. Okay, since we broke down, it's resistance. Do you see this? So this is a major resistance point right now, but what we're looking for is a reversal wave, a reversal of the trend. At the minute, we're painting some beautiful signatures. We've got the W double bottom just here, which you're fully aware of. You know, we have been here before. Don't forget, we have been here before for Bitcoin. We're painting these lovely reversal signatures, but we're breaking out and we've come up and ran into a resistance. Now, the resistance we've usually run into is this resistance just here. Do you see this? So this is what we're actually testing as support, because we've broken out the resistance just there of this downwards channel. Do you see this? And when we've come back, we've back tested this support just there, which is good, because like I said to you, when you break resistance, you can see you broke the resistance just there. Let me show you this. Okay, you broke the resistance just there, and what do? You've not back tested support, and what you're doing right now, you're back testing it as support. So that's great. You're above the channel, this resistance. Do you see that in a downtrend? So you've broken it. You're coming back, you're holding a support on a 4-hourly time frame, the EMAs especially, you're holding support, which is great, because you know it's going to creep you up, and it's going to make you break. Hopefully, if you continue to hold support, this is a thing, it's all about holding support, because if you continue to hold the 4-hourly 20 EMA, you're going to break out once more of here, okay, and you're going to form a new impulsive wave. Now I'm going to show you exactly where the resistance is of this reversal wave we're looking for Bitcoin. Okay, so on the daily time frame, okay, if in doubt, zoom out, remember that, and you'll see a bigger picture of what's going on. So like I said to you, you know, you're in this downtrend here. Okay, primary point of resistance is this one. This is the break you're looking for, of a massive confirmation that you're reversing the trend here completely. Okay, you get this, you break up here and you break this key level of resistance, you're looking golden for Bitcoin right here, and you're looking for that continuation in this bull market for 200k, and here potentially this is our bottom, and that's what we all want, isn't it? That's what we're all hoping for. Okay, but obviously you're not going to get there overnight. You're going to run into resistance, and you're going to keep attacking it, and then if you're falling back and holding support, you know, it's going to creep you up, and you're going to just smash through it, okay, like a hot knife through butter. So yeah, we're building up momentum, we're building up steam basically, and you can see, like I said to you, you've broken out of this multi-month resistance just here for Bitcoin, where it's hitting its head on this downwards channel. Do you see this? This is, this is a bullish falling channel basically. It's a reversal pattern basically, and what happens is when you break out of it, you come back up to test where you came from, and you can see it. That's exactly what happened here. Look, you've fallen down into it. It's a bullish reversal channel. A lot of people saying it's a bear flag. I've looked at it potentially as a bear flag, okay, potentially, but I don't quite like it as a bear flag, to be honest with you. I can see why people would say it is a bear flag, but for me it's a bullish falling channel. Okay, you're in some kind of channel, and once you break it, like I said to you, you've got your falling wedges like that, where you break them, you come back up and you test where you came from as resistance before falling back or continuing with the trend. Do you see that? So yeah, at the minute you can see you're in some falling channel just here, boom 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 boom, just here. You're broken out of it. And what did you do? You come back up and tested where you formed the channel, okay, as resistance. This is why you roll back into the channel, and just here you're breaking it again. Okay, now if you can sustain this break this time round, what will happen is you come back up, and if you come back up to this channel, you're doing what we need to see on the daily time frame. You're breaking the 55, and the 55 is the most important thing you need to see in a reversal of the trend, because like I said to you, when you're in a downtrend, okay, you're in a downtrend because like the trend is your friend until you break the trend. You create a new friend, don't you? I've taught you that. So you're in a bearish cross, you're hitting your head, you're under the 20, break above a 20, hold as support, break above a 55, confirmation statement of a reversal of a trend, where you start creating that bullish cross. On this works on any time frame. It's a little hack, okay? It works on any time frame. Get the bullish cross. That's a reversal signal right there. That's a reversal of trend. Boom. See you later, alligator. I should buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid right there, okay? And that's we're bottomed out, and we're turning a corner right now, and we're moving onwards and upwards. So this is what we're waiting for. But like I said to you, you're breaking out of this channel. It's a reversal pattern, okay? You're falling in a bullish channel. When you break out of them, you usually come back up to where you formed the channel, okay? So if you come back up now to where you formed this channel as resistance, boom, 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 okay, you're on a journey. You're going to break the 55, and you're going to come up and test this. Just that in itself is a confirmation statement of a reversal of trend, okay? And you're fully aware that this here, like I've said to you, that's the target of this WW bottom break, which you've broken out of, but you've fallen back, and you've tested this channel now as support. Do you see this? So you're actually testing this channel as support, and if you can hold it, where are we? If you can hold this channel as support, you're looking good for more upside for Bitcoin, okay? And this is what we do need to see held. Now yesterday I did say we need to see the close above the daily 20 EMA. We did get that, so that's good, that's healthy for Bitcoin. Right now, if we can hold the support of the 4 hour, like I've just shown you, hold that as support and come back up, this is where you're going to see the continuation for Bitcoin, okay? There is one key level of resistance that you do need to see broken, and it is this high just here, okay? And I'm going to show you why in a moment, because we're looking for a reversal wave, okay? This is a reversal wave that we're looking for, because this is your impulsive wave down, and now you're starting to form a reversal wave up, okay? The potential is, you run into a level of resistance, you're going to roll over, you're going to create another reversal wave down, another impulsive wave down, sorry, to another level of support, like I said to you. And this is the support we're looking for, aren't we, if we do go and break this level of support just here for Bitcoin. So what we need here is this reversal wave to complete, because if it completes, you're coming back up to where you came from, you're breaking the daily 55 EMA, and that is huge for Bitcoin. It's huge for the markets of crypto. Full transparency, that is what we're looking for, okay? You can paint these beautiful bottom pictures and patterns all you like, but if you're not breaking the 55 in a downtrend, you're still in a downtrend basically, just like here. You broke the daily 20, yay, you've hit your head on this channel just here where you formed it. You fell into this channel, you start to form it, boom 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 boom. Do you see that? And what happened was, when you hit your head, it's really simple, you hit your head, what happened? You came back to test to support the channel, and you lost it, and you entered the channel again. Do you see that? So this is what's happening for Bitcoin right now. You've broken out of this channel, you're coming up, you've hit your head on a key level of resistance. I'm going to show you that resistance in a moment. And what's happened is you rolled over, and right now you're trying to test the support of this channel once more. Now if you do fall into this, there's a potential you're going to form a bigger sort of continuation of this downtrend here, falling out of this channel just here, and potentially creating a new low here for Bitcoin. okay, and we don't want that. So yeah, basically we need to hold this upper channel of support right now for continuation. So I'm going to show you that level of resistance that Bitcoin's run into, okay. So basically from this low here to that high there, you are retracing right now, okay. You're retracing. You've had an impulsive wave down and you're starting to retrace, okay. So what I'm going to do is move this over like that. So you've made the low. Let's try and get this better point of contact just there, so I'll show you. So yeah, basically, is that on the mark? It's not quite on the mark. There it is. So yeah, what we need to see broken, and I did put this on Twitter yesterday, we do need to see Bitcoin get above this level and close out. You can't see that, can you? That's a golden ratio. Bring this along like that. That's that W bottom resistance, which we've broken, but we've obviously fell back through and lost the support at the moment. We are falling into this channel at the moment. You can see we are. This is a daily time frame, by the way, but look at the support of 050, which is 34475. So you can see we've almost wicked down there support. So do anticipate that is a little wick and potentially come back up. The key level of resistance that we're looking to break here for Bitcoin, which is a massive signal within itself of a reversal wave, is the golden ratio just there. Because what's happening here, we've come back down, made a low, and we start to retrace to where we came from. Now, if we get the full retracement just here to where we came from, you know, you're not only breaking this key level of resistance, which is this channel, okay, this top of this channel, do you see that? You know, you're also creating this reversal wave, which is beautiful, but you're also breaking the 55 on the daily, which is absolutely golden. So it looks bad at the moment, but you know, it's good that we're broken out, we're breaking resistance, but we have ran into this resistance, which is the most important resistance, because like I said to you, you know, the golden ratio, if you start to break that or you lose that, you're looking at the reversal wave. It works in both ways. So you go up and make an impulsive wave, retracement wave, and if you lose the golden ratio, you start to come back down to where you formed it. Do you see that? And it works the same in a downtrend. You go down and you start to retrace, and if you lose the golden ratio, you create a reversal wave coming back to where you came from. Do you understand that? Okay, so yeah, it's really easy. Need to see this level broken on the daily time frame. That gets broken, you potentially, there's more probability for a reversal wave to come into play. And if we get a reversal wave coming back to where we came from, we are absolutely golden for Bitcoin. So yeah, that's a little update for Bitcoin. I hope you enjoyed that. You can see that we've ran into this level here, this level of resistance. We failed to close above it, and that's what you're looking for, is to get above that level, hold its support, looking for continuation. Do you see that? Up to there. So yeah, that's basically Bitcoin in a nutshell. That's what we're looking for. The break of resistance, the most important resistance right now for Bitcoin is the break of 35980. Start to see that, you're looking good. Okay, take care everyone. We'll be back tomorrow with an update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.